Let's take a look now at a scenario based on legal discrimination. Miss Olson is very uncomfortable with her second language learners. She seated all of the Spanish-speaking students at table 5 in the back of the room. She has admonished her students from speaking Spanish in her classroom. Miguel, one of her students, complains to his parents that his teacher is rude to him and makes some snide remarks about him and his culture in front of his classmates. Miss Olson sends Miguel to the office for getting a drink of water without permission. While Miguel is there in the office, Miguel tells the principal that he's being mistreated by Miss Olson. The principal, Mr. White, disregards Miguel's comments and admonishes him to stop making trouble in the classroom and sends him promptly back to his class. So we notice here that Miss Olson is uncomfortable with second language learners, and she has seated them in the back of the room. Miguel's already informed his parents that he's concerned about the way he's being treated by Miss Olson, that she's making some snide remarks about his culture in front of his classmates, and for a seemingly small infraction, she has sent him to the office. We also know in this scenario that Miguel has informed the principal that he feels he's being mistreated, and the principal has disregarded Miguel's comments. Let's take a look now at the questions around this scenario. The first question that I'm going to ask you to take a look at is Miguel being discriminated against by his teacher, Miss Olson? We'll talk about that in our small group. We also want to talk about, does the principal have a responsibility to investigate Miguel's complaints about Miss Olson? And thirdly, what rights does Miguel have to protest discrimination based on race, ethnicity, and language? We're going to take about 5 minutes for you to turn to someone sitting next to you and respond to this scenario and answer these questions in your small group.